Welcome to our channel. Hey, what's up, iTech fam? Welcome back to Chuckstello iTech, the place where we dive deep into the world of technology and education. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we've got some crucial information for all our Ghanaian viewers, especially those in the education sector. So, buckle up, because we're about to break down the 2024 Ghana Teacher Licensure Examination, GTLE, details released by the National Teaching Council, NTC. 2024 GTLE 1 important details released by NTC. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The NTC has dropped some key information regarding the GTLE 1 scheduled for March 17 to 19, 2024. Now, as you know, the National Teaching Council, mandated by the Education Regulatory Bodies Act 2020, plays a crucial role in regulating the teaching profession in Ghana. The purpose of this licensing examination is to ensure that qualified teachers acquire a professional license, and it helps to assess whether candidates meet the national teachers' standards in terms of professional knowledge, practice, values, and attitudes required for effective teaching in schools. Now, let's talk about the examination papers. Fresh candidates will be writing 3 papers. General Professional Knowledge paper, covering numeracy, literacy, and essential professional skills. Grade Level Specialism Pedagogy paper, differentiated by levels of specialization, early grades/early childhood, primary and JHS, SHS/SHTS, and technical vocational schools. Multiple subjects content or single subject content knowledge, subject specialism. Host, Chuckstello. If you want more detailed content areas and tables of specification, head over to ntc.gov.gh/content. Now, eligibility for the licensure examination requires candidates to have a Bachelor of Education degree or a postgraduate diploma in education. For those with foreign degrees, make sure to provide a certificate evaluation report from the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, GTC, to prove eligibility. Now, let's get into the indexing process for fresh candidates. Visit indexing.ntc.gov.gh to check your status. If your details are uploaded, pay the indexing fee of GH50.00, and after successful payment, you'll receive a message with your indexing number. Use that number to register for the GTLE. Speaking of registration, fresh candidates need to pay GH450 for 3 papers. Recent candidates have different fees. Payments can be made at any Prudential Bank branch or through mobile money. Recent candidates have different fees. Payments can be made at any Prudential Bank branch or through mobile money. Remember to log on to exams.ntc.gov.gh, enter your e-voucher serial number and PIN, fill in all fields, and upload your passport size photograph. Registration must be completed by February 20, 2024. No extensions will be granted. Dress professionally for the exam, and please, no babies at the examination hall. One last note, the ongoing registration is for holders of a Bachelor of Education or postgraduate diploma in education only. That wraps up the important details for the 2024 GTLE 1 released by the NTC. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Stay tuned for more updates on Chuckstello iTech, and until next time, keep exploring the world of education and technology. See you in the next one. That wraps up the important details for the 2024 GTLE 1 released by the NTC. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Stay tuned for more updates on Chuckstello iTech, and until next time, keep exploring the world of education and technology. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Stay tuned for more updates on Chuckstello iTech, and until next time, keep exploring the world of education and technology. See you in the next one.